I'm Jim Johnston. I'm the Vice President and Chief Technology Officer at McElroy Manufacturing. Today we're going to talk about butt fusion and the 4 basic steps that are involved with butt fusion. The procedures here in North America are primarily ASTM F2620, so I'm going to reference ASTM F2620 throughout this process. Again, there are basically 4 simple operations: loading the pipe into the machine, facing the pipe off, heating the pipe, and then bringing the heated ends of those pipes together under pressure until they're cooled. So the process is really quite simple. First we load the machine. We're going to put a facer in place, and this is true for any size of pipe that's involved in the process. The pipe is then faced off. This ensures that the pipe has a very square and parallel end, as well as a virgin material that's been exposed. We'll quickly clean out the shavings from this process. We'll do a quick check of the squareness and the parallelism in the pipe. And then from there, we're going to lift the heater and put it in place. And the pipes are brought up against the heater at almost 0 pressure. All I want is enough pressure to hold the pipe against the heater itself. Again, F2620 prescribes the heat, pressure, and timing that's involved with all of these things. So in the process of doing this, we're looking for a small bead up on this pipe as prescribed by F2620. The heat is going into the pipe, warming up the pipe, and developing a molten end in the pipe here. In this particular size pipe, I'm looking for a bead roughly 1/8 to 3/16 in size. So once this has been heated up and moved through, I will open the carriage, inspect the ends of the pipe to make sure that they are flat and parallel and nice and glossy. And then I'll close the pipe in a very quick manner. So here in just a moment, what I'll do is open the carriage, inspect the ends of the pipe, and then bring them back together. All right, so in this case, I've achieved the bead that I want to see as part of the heat up cycle. I'm going to remove the heater, look at the ends of the pipe, make sure they are flat and parallel, and then bring this together under pressure and hold it until it stops moving. And I've achieved a nice double rollback bead in this process. That molten material has rolled back, and now I have 2 distinct beads around the pipe. This particular machine has a lock in place, and once that pipe is cooled and stopped moving, I can let go and it will hold the pressure. Now there's a prescribed amount of time that will be involved in holding this under pressure until it's completely cooled. At the end of that cycle, we'll release the jaws, pull out the pipe, and move on to our next joint. Those are the fairly easy, simple steps for pipe fusion.